press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello my dear children, welcome back to the class. Yes. So in our previous class we already studied a lesson other important cities. Understood? So in this lesson we already learned introduction and also another one, the important city Hyderabad. Understood children? Yes. So already we learned a major four important metropolitan city like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. Understood children? Yes. And also the important city, one is Hyderabad. So this Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana, it means Andhra Pradesh. Understood? And also it is the fifth largest city in our country. And also it is a divided twin city. One is Hyderabad and second is the Sikandrabad. Understood? So another one artificial lake also there. So that is like Hussain Sagar. So this Hussain Sagar lake connected two cities. That one is Hyderabad and Sikandrabad. Understood? And also it's divided two cities, Hyderabad and Sikandrabad. So this Hyderabad is a old city situated along the river Musi. Understood? So Musi river ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಿಟಿ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್. Understood children? Yes. And also this Hussain Sagar lake is an artificial lake. Understood? So and also these Hyderabad people speak Telugu and Urdu and also English. And also it is founded by the Qutub Shahi dynasty of Golconda. And also the city was nearly 400 years old and it is noted for its natural beauty. Understood children? Okay, so this is all about in our previous class. So in this class we will learn some important monuments, museum and also the park and also mandir. We can learn about all these in this class. Understood children? So first one, Hussain Sagar Lake. So first important place in Hyderabad, first one is Hussain Sagar. Yes children, Hussain Sagar. Hussain Sagar. Understood? So this Hussain Sagar lake is an artificial lake and Hussain Sagar lake is a heart-shaped lake in the Hyderabad. Understood children? So heart-shaped. So this is a heart-shaped. Heart-shaped lake. Understood children? Heart-shaped lake. And also it is built by the Ibrahim Qutub Shahi. Understood? One of the ruler, Qutub dynasty ruler Ibrahim Qutub Shahi. So his name Ibrahim, built by Ibrahim Qutub Shahi. Understood children? In the year 1563. Understood children? In the year 1563. And also it's spread across an area, so 5.7 square kilometer. Understood children? So 5.7 kilometer and also so it is fed by the Musi river, fed under Tupur. So in Hussain Sagar lake ಯಾವ್ದಿಂದ ತುಂಬುತ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ Musi river. Understood children? Is fed by the river Musi. Musi river. Understood, children? Yes. And also a large monolithic statue. So monolithic means ಏಕಶಿಲಾ, ಒಂದೇ ಬಂಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಕರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. Understood? A large monolithic statue of the ಗೌತಮ ಬುದ್ಧ. ಸೊ ಈ ಲೇಕಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಗೌತಮ ಬುದ್ಧನ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಸಹ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ monolithic ಏಕಶಿಲಾ. Understood? Monolithic means ಏಕಶಿಲಾ. So large monolithic statue. So that is Gautama Buddha. So it means Gautama Buddha. Gautama Buddha. Understood, children? Yes. And it's constructed in the year 1992. This monolithic statue constructed in the year 1992. Okay, children? Okay, this is a Hussain Sagar lake. So Hussain Sagar lake is an artificial lake, and also it is a heart-shaped lake in the Hyderabad. And also this Hussain Sagar built by Ibrahim bin Qutb Shahi in the year 1563. Understood, children? And also it's spread across an area 5.7 square kilometer, and also it is fed by the river Musi. Understood? ಇದು ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ತುಂಬುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೂಸಿ ರಿವರಿಂದ. And also a large monolithic statue of the ಗೌತಮ ಬುದ್ಧ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಲೇಕ್ನ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗೌತಮ ಬುದ್ಧನ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. Understood? That is a rock like a Gibraltar rock in the middle of the lake. Gibraltar rock. Understood? So that is a rock, Gibraltar rock in the middle of lake. Understood, children? So this is a Hussain Sagar. Understood? So next one, Charminar. So next place, next monument Charminar. Charminar. Dear children, so here Charminar, which means 4 pillars. Understood? And also it was built in year 1591 AD. In year 1591 AD. So here AD means ಏನು? So AD means Anno Domini, the time of Lord. So time of Lord means when the Jesus Christ born. Understood? ಯಾವಾಗ ಜೀಸಸ್ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟ್ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮನ್ನು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ AD ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ Anno Domini. Understood? So this Charminar was built in the year 1591. Understood, children? And also this Charminar is a very famous building of Hyderabad, and also one of the famous building in India. Understood, children? Yes. And also this Charminar lies near the bank of Musi river. So near the bank of Musi river, and also it is an impressive square monument. This is an impressive square monument. So square means like square monument. Understood? And also that's with a 4 minarets. Yes, children, 4 minarets, pillars. 4 minarets. Understood? So 4 pillars ಅನ್ನು ಇದು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವಿವಾಗ ಆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಮಾನ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ 4 pillars ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ Charminar, char means 4 ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ದ 4 pillars, ಸೊ 4 pillars ಅನ್ನ ಅದು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. And also the style, this Charminar style, Indo-Islamic style. So Indo-Islamic architecture. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಶೈಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಡೋ ಇಸ್ಲಾಮಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಎಸ್, ಇಂಡೋ Islamic architecture. So Indo-Islamic means is a characteristic. So Indo-Islamic ನ ಒಂದು characteristics ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಆರ್ಚಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಡೋಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Understood children? So this is the characteristic of Indo-Islamic style. So arches ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೊ ಆರ್ಚ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಡೋಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. Understood children? And also it is like 4 pillars, 4 minarets. Minarets means pillars, like pillars. Understood? Pillars. Understood? Yes. This is a Charminar. So Charminar, which means like 4 pillars. It's built in the year 1591 AD. AD means in Anno Domini. Understood? And also why? Because why Charminar built means like Charminar built by the Muhammad Qutb Shahi. Muhammad Qutb Shahi. Understood? Muhammad Qutb Shahi. So it was built by Muhammad Qutb Shahi to celebrate of the deadly plague. So ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಕುತುಬ್ ಶಾಹಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಮಿನಾರನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಯಿಲೆ, ಪ್ಲೇಗ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಆ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಯಿಂದ ಬಳಲ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೆಡ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಗ್. ಪ್ಲೇಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ನಾಶ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಕುತುಬ್ ಶಾಹಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ ಚಾರ್ಮಿನಾರನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Children, yes, it is built in the year 1591 AD and it was built by the Muhammad Qutb Shahi. It was the 5th ruler of Qutb Shahi dynasty. ಇವನು 5ನೇ ಒಂದು ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆ, 5ನೇ ರಾಜ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕುತುಬ್ ಶಾಹಿ ಡೈನಾಸ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 5ನೇ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ರಾಜ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. 5th ruler. So 5th ruler of Qutb Shahi dynasty. Understood children? And this Charminar style like Indo-Islamic. Indo-Islamic means it's a characteristic like arches and domes. Understood? Arches ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಡೋಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಡೋ ಇಸ್ಲಾಮಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಚಾರ್ಮಿನಾರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಗೋಲ್ಕೊಂಡ ಫೋರ್ಟ್. Third one, Golconda Fort. Golconda Fort. Yes. So Golconda was originally known as Mankal. ಸೊ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಗೋಲ್ಕೊಂಡನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಮನ್ಕಲ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಎಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಮನ್ಕಲ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗೋಲ್ಕೊಂಡ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ವಾಸ್ first built by the Kakatiyas, like ಕುತುಬ್ ಶಾಹಿ ಡೈನಾಸ್ಟಿ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಕುತುಬ್ ಶಾಹಿ ಡೈನಾಸ್ಟಿ ಚಾರ್ಮಿನಾರ್ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಕುತುಬ್ ಶಾಹಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಗೋಲ್ಕೊಂಡ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ the first built by the Kakatiya dynasty. Understood children? So Kakatiya dynasty. Kakatiya dynasty. Understood? So Kakatiya dynasty. And also in the year 11 43. And also this Golconda Fort is situated in the western part of the Hyderabad. Understood? Yes. So this Golconda Fort is situated in the western part of the Hyderabad city. Understood, children? Yes. So western part of Hyderabad. Understood? Yes, so this is a Golconda Fort. So next one, Salarjung Museum. So Salarjung Museum. Next one, Salarjung Museum. Understood? So this the Salarjung Museum was an art museum. It's an art museum. Understood? Art museum. So here art museum. Museum art means like a kale. So art museum and located at located at Dar ul Shifa. So located at Dar ul Shifa is one of the part of old city in Hyderabad. Understood? This is a old city, Dar ul Shifa. Understood? So this is situated, located at Salarjung Museum, located at Dar ul Shifa. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಹಳೆಯ ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಯಂ. Understood? Located at the Dar ul Shifa and also on the southern part of the Musi river. So southern part of the Musi river. Yes. Southern part of the Musi river. Understood, children? Yes. So Salarjung Museum is an art museum and also located at Dar ul Shifa and on the southern part of the Musi river. And also this is the third largest museum. Understood? Third largest museum in the world, as well as like Bangalore. Bangalore also has 7 museums. Understood? Like Government Museum, Kempegowda Museum, and also the Nehru technology, like Industry Museum. Is there no like that? So this Salarjung Museum also third largest museum in the world. Understood, children? Yes. So this is a Salarjung Museum. Next one, Nehru Zoological Park. Nehru Zoological Park. Next one, Nehru Zoological Park. Understood, children? Nehru Zoological Park. So Nehru Zoological Park is a zoo. Understood? This one the zoo is a zoo. Understood? And also located at a distance of 16 kilometer from Hyderabad. ಇದು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಇಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ so 16 kilometer located at a distance of 16 kilometer from Hyderabad. Understood, children? 16 kilometer from Hyderabad. Understood? And also we can see in this zoo tiger, cheetah, peacock and like like tortoise, crocodile, so many animals we can see in this zoo. Okay, yes, and also it opened for public. It was opened for public in the year 1963. ಅಂದರೆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಝೂ ಒಂದು ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ 1963. Understood children? So 1963, and also it is situated in the, so where it is situated? Situated in the Mir Alam tank. Understood? So Mir Alam tank. It is situated in the Mir Alam tank. Mir Alam tank. Understood? And so which is the 200 years old. Understood children? So zoological park, Nehru Zoological Park is a zoo, and it's located, it means located at a distance of 16 km from Hyderabad, and also it was opened for public in the year 1963, and also it is situated in the Mir Alam tank. Mir Alam tank ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಸಿಚುವೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ನಿಯರ್ 200 years old. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 200 years old. Understood? 200 years old. Understood children? Okay, this is the Nehru Zoological Park. And next one, public gardens. Next one, public gardens. So public gardens also known as Bagh-e-Aam. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದರ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬಾಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತೋಟ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So here next one, public gardens. Public gardens. Understood? Public gardens. So public gardens also known as Bagh-e-Aam. So here Bagh means garden, ತೋಟ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Also known as Bagh-e-Aam. Understood? And is a historic park. So this is one of the historic, ಐತಿಹಾಸಿಕ ಒಂದು ತೋಟ. Understood? Historic park, and located in the heart of the Hyderabad. It is located in the heart of the Hyderabad. Understood children? Yes, located in the heart of the Hyderabad, and also it was built in the year 1846. In the year 1846 by the Nizam of Hyderabad. So the Nizam means like a ruler. Understood? Nizam of Hyderabad, built by Nizam of Hyderabad. Understood children? Yes, and also is the oldest park in Hyderabad. This is the oldest park in Hyderabad. Public gardens. The public gardens also known as the Bagh-e-Aam, and also it is situated in the heart of the Hyderabad, and it was built in the year 1846 and built by the Nizam of Hyderabad, and also we can call this is the oldest park in Hyderabad. So this is the oldest park in Hyderabad. And the last one, the Birla Mandir. Last one, Birla Mandir. So next one, Birla Mandir. Understood, children? Yes. Yes. So this Birla Mandir is a Hindu temple. Understood? ಇದು ಒಂದು ಹಿಂದೂ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಟೆಂಪಲ್. So Birla Mandir is a Hindu temple. Understood? And built on a 280 feet. It means 85 meter. 85 meter. Understood? Birla Mandir. Birla Mandir is a Hindu temple and built on a means like a top of. So ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡಿನ 280 ಫೀಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 85 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದರೆ ಇದು ಸಿಚುವೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಬಿರ್ಲಾ ಮಂದಿರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ Hindu temple and built on a 280 feet, it means 85 meter, and also the statue of Lord Venkateshwara. So Tirupati Tirumala Venkateshwara antali ನಾವು ಕರೀತೀವಲ್ಲ. Yes, the statue of Lord Venkateshwara. So Lord Venkateshwara. Understood? Lord Venkateshwara is curved out in the Orient style. Understood, children? The statue of Lord Venkateshwara is curved out in the Orient style. So, ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅದು Lord Venkateshwara? So, Orient style. Understood? Orient style. Understood, children? Yes, and this temple is said to be sanctified. Sanctified means parishuddha, holy. Understood? It is said to be sanctified in it means it's built in 1976. Built in 1976 by Swami Ranganathananda. So it is built by Ranganathananda from Ramakrishna Ashrama. Understood, children? Built by Swami Ranganathananda from Ramakrishna Ashram. Understood? So from Ramakrishna Ashram. Ashram. Understood, children? Yes. So Birla Mandir is a Hindu temple and built on a 280 feet. It means 85 meter. Understood? And a statue of a Lord Venkateshwara is curved out in the Orient style. Understood? So Lord Venkateshwara curved out of the Orient style, and also it means like this Birla Mandir built in the year 1976 and also built by the Swami Ranganathananda from Ramakrishna Ashrama. Ramakrishna ಆಶ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ರಂಗನಾಥಾನಂದರಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬಿರ್ಲಾ ಮಂದಿರ ಎಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಲ್ಪಟ್ಟು? ಸೊ 1976 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹಿಂದೂ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ವರ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. Understood, children? This is all about the importance of important places in the Hyderabad. Example, Hussain Sagar and Charminar and Golconda Fort, Salarjung Museum, and another one is the Nehru Zoological Park and Public Garden, and Birla Mandir. Understood, children? Yes. Thank you.